Most poultry farmers don't lose money because of disease or feed prices. They lose it quietly, through poor records. Here are 10 record-keeping mistakes that drain profits, and how to fix each one. 1. Not recording daily feed intake. If you don't know how much your birds eat each day, you can't spot a drop in appetite early, and you can't calculate your true feed conversion ratio. Feed is your biggest expense. Weigh what goes into the coops every single morning. A sudden drop in consumption is often your very first warning sign that a flock is getting sick, even before they show symptoms. 2. Tipping mortality logs. Every dead bird is data. Without a daily mortality record, you miss patterns that point to disease, heat stress, or predator issues. Don't just throw a dead bird away and forget about it. Write down the date, the pen it came from, and any symptoms you noticed. If losses start creeping up over a few days, that log is what helps you and your vet catch an outbreak before it wipes out the whole barn. 3. Guessing egg production instead of counting. Rounded numbers hide problems. Count and log every day so you can catch dips the moment they start. If you just estimate that you collected about 5 crates, you might miss a steady downward trend. Counting exact numbers helps you notice a drop of even 5% or 10%, which tells you right away to check for water shortages, stress, or nutritional gaps. 4. Mixing personal and farm money. When farm income and household spending share one wallet, you never really know if the farm is profitable. It is incredibly easy to spend egg sales on groceries and then wonder why you don't have enough cash to buy the next batch of feed. Keep a separate cash box or bank account for the farm. Every dollar the chickens make stays there, and every farm expense comes out of it. 5. Forgetting to record vaccinations and medications. Missed or duplicated doses cost money and hurt flock health. A simple health log prevents both. When you are busy, it is easy to forget exactly when a booster shot is due or how many days you've been administering a specific treatment. Write down the date, the medication name, the dosage, and the withdrawal period so your meat and eggs are always safe for market. 6. Ignoring bird age and batch tracking. Without knowing exactly how old each batch is, you can't plan culling, restocking, or peak production windows. Different ages need different feed formulations and lighting schedules. If you mix batches together without tracking their specific arrival dates, you won't know which birds are costing you more to feed than they are worth in eggs or meat. 7. No inventory count for feed and supplies. Farmers routinely lose bags of feed to spoilage, theft, or over-ordering because nobody is tracking what comes in and out. Feed has a shelf life, and vitamins degrade over time. By keeping a simple inventory sheet on the feed room door, you will always know exactly how many bags you have left and when you need to order fresh stock. 8. Not tracking cost per bird or per egg. If you don't know your unit cost, you don't know your real margin, and you might be selling at a loss without realizing it. You cannot just look at the market price and match it. You need to add up your feed, chicks, medication, and overhead, then divide it by the number of birds or eggs you sell. That is the only way to price your products for a real profit. 9. Keeping records only in your head. Memory fails. Write it down, or better, use a simple notebook or spreadsheet you fill in every day. You might think you will remember how many eggs you collected on Monday, but by Friday, those numbers blur together. Keep a pen and a logbook right inside the coop so you can record data on the spot before you walk away. 10. Never reviewing the records you keep. Records only make you money when you actually read them. Set aside time each week to review numbers and adjust. Data sitting in a closed notebook won't save your farm. Then just 15 minutes every Sunday looking over your feed use, mortality, and production trends. It allows you to see what went right, what went wrong, and make smart decisions for the coming week. Fix even 3 of these and you'll see the difference in your next production cycle. If you want a ready-made system for tracking all of this, my Poultry Farm Success Bundle walks you through it step by step. Find the link in the description below. Happy farming!